Should you be using the company that Amazon promotes when you actually buy shipping labels on Seller Central to buy your shipping, which is Veeqo? Not too long ago, a couple of months ago, Amazon introduced this new company. It's actually an Amazon company, right? And they actually let you know, they let you actually purchase shipping labels directly from them for FBM. And the great thing is that it is going to let you, so if you buy shipping outside of Amazon, you will not have the same kind of protection from Amazon. But if you buy your shipping from Veeqo, you will actually get your shipping from Veeqo. So today, in today's video, I wanted to talk a little bit about why I believe, why first I've been using Veeqo. And if you do not know me, I'm going to introduce myself in a few, but why, like, I'm actually going to tell you why you should use Veeqo. And it is not a sponsored video, but I'm going to tell you why I've been using it pretty much and why I believe that you should be using it as well. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Manguns. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon, so if you're new here, subscribe and like this video. All right, so Veeqo, this is Veeqo, okay, this is the website. It's 100% free, okay, so this is how you write it in case you don't know, all right? And so what Veeqo is it's, as I said, it's a platform for you to actually buy your shipping. So if you are actually selling on multiple platforms, if you are selling on Amazon, but also on eBay and also on Shopify, apparently you can also use it with Shopify, you can get, like, you can print all your labels from the same place and you can actually manage your inventory with this, okay? I just use it for Amazon. You guys know that I sell on eBay as well a little bit. I'm trying to grow the business, but I just use it for Amazon, and I'm going to tell you exactly why I've been using it with Amazon, okay? Not only you get some cash back when you actually purchase your shipping through Veeqo, but the great thing is that you can actually use your own credit card, right, to buy your shipping. The reason why it is major is because, you know, it's great to be able to buy your shipping with your Amazon balance, right? It is great, but it's great one way because it's not money coming out of your pocket directly. You can directly use the money that is on your balance, and if you do a lot of volume, you know, it can be significant, and the money that you can spend, that you have in your pocket, is actually, you can actually spend your money earlier, right? The only thing is that you will need to pay your shipping with the money that you have in your pocket. And so at the end of the day, yes, if you buy the shipping on Amazon directly, I guess you know, it's great because you get access to money that you will have to wait a little bit to actually be able to access, right? So it's actually great if you think about it this way. But with Veeqo, as I said, you can actually use your credit card. And so if you do a lot of volume with FBM, like I've been doing lately, I've been increasing the volume that I do FBM. I've been increasing it slowly. I'm trying to push past 50 units a day with FBM, which I'm not going to lie, I'm out of stock on all my best FBM ASINs because they just sell super fast, and I exceeded. So as I'm recording this video today, it is April 30, 2024, and I exceeded because you guys know, I have a budget for FBA, I have a budget for FBM because I have VAs working for me for FBA, and so I need to spend money with FBA. If not, it doesn't make any sense for me to have those VAs. But I allocated a budget for FBM, and I exceeded that budget. So for the month, so at least I'm probably not going to do any FBM for a couple of days, maybe 2 to 3 days, and then I'm going to go back to sourcing for FBM and to actually go and grab some products. But yeah, I'm actually out of stock. But yeah, so like the great thing, because if you buy a lot of shipping, it's a lot of money going out of your business, and so you should actually be able to because not only you get some cash back directly on Veeqo, right? But the second great thing, as I said, is that you can use a credit card. And so there's a lot of credit cards where you can actually use to buy shipping, and that you have elevated offers when you actually buy shipping with them. Okay, you have multipliers such as the Amex Gold. I think the business Amex Gold gives you $4 shipping. And then we actually double check this Amex Business Gold. Here we go. Let's look at the Amex Business Gold together. Let it load. Not sponsored by Amex, by the way. And so in 2 categories, and I believe that these categories could be can be shipping. Let me check. So it's good and return software for cloud system provider. Okay, actually it's not. Okay, so that was fake news. Okay, that was fake news. The Amex Gold does not give you cashback on shipping, but which Amex cards give you cashback on shipping? And I'm going to tell you which card I'm using myself. All right. So the card that I'm using personally myself. Okay, so 2% cashback. Let's look at actually the upgraded point. Okay, this website is actually a great resource. The one I'm using is actually this one. It's actually the Ink Business Preferred because I get 3x on shipping. You know, so that's great. It's like 3%, and I'm actually using those points to travel. So since I'm doing a lot, and actually I'm traveling soon. Okay, I'm traveling again soon. We are back, boys. We are back in the travel game, but yeah, I'm not going to tell you where I'm going yet. Maybe I should. I don't know, because maybe some of you guys are from there, so it should be fun. I could have some great tips before I go over there. But you know, so I would check this resource because it will give you a lot of. And I think that, by the way, I think that the Ink Preferred is the best card for shipping because you get 3x, and you can either use those points for traveling, and if you get this one I'm talking about, and there's a link in the description if you want to get it, by the way. But if you actually have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you get, if you redeem those points for travel, you get 50% more. So your points are worth 50% more. All right. So instead of getting 3%, you would have. Let me make the calculation for you guys. So you would have. So 3 points would be worth 4.5 points. Okay, so if you redeem for travel, so it means that if you actually travel a lot, those points, like whatever you spend on shipping, would be worth $4. Like you'd get 4.5 cents back, right? So you get, after this, you get the Amex, the American Express Blue Business Cash. Okay, so with which you have 2%, I believe, on everything. So it's just like a casual. The Marriott Bonvoy. Let me see. Apparently you get 4x, but the points are not. I don't think the points are worth 1 cent. It's not worth 1 cent per point, and it's just to be redeemed, I believe, on Marriott at Marriott. So not that great in my opinion. The Ink Unlimited is 1.5, so yeah, I guess the best card is really the Chase Ink Preferred, you know, if you want to spend. But this is why Veeqo is so great, because you can actually use your card, you can actually use your credit card, right, to buy your shipping. And so you can rack up credit card points or cashback instead, so at least 3% cashback instead, in addition to the cashback that you already get on Veeqo, which is, I think, it's pretty decent in my opinion. But so instead of using your Amazon balance, just get a credit card where you get 3x points. And you know, like, that's fine. Just pay it at the end of the month, just use it for this. I mean, there's a lot of things that you can use the Ink Business Preferred, by the way, for. You can use it to buy discounted gift card on top cashback because you get the 3x on it as well. But yeah, so you can rack up points and you can travel the world if you want to, or you can just reinvest that money into the business. Depends on what you want to do. Right, but yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. Start using Veeqo, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.